Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 98. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 1, 6. And no help here, 1, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. That means the only place the 1 can be in this row now is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 6, 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.